Hello guys, today we are going to do is adding Google re-captcha to the WordPress website. So in here I'm logged into the Google re-captcha dashboard right now, and click on the right side. There are many options here. As you can see on the top right side there is a menu, and click on that plus icon to create new re-captcha. And here label, as you can see there is a text box. You can add your own text to here and change this to challenge version 2 and add your domain to here. For example, themiya.com. You can add, just add plus button, and here Google Cloud Platform name. You can give any name and agree and submit the form. I'm going to the settings again, and here my website themiya.com, and I have added successfully. And we need to get the re-captcha keys from here. Copy the site key from here, click on it, copy site key and copy. And here this is my WordPress website. Go to the Fluent Forms. You need to install Fluent Forms from the WordPress plugins, and here there are some contact forms on my dashboard. I'm select contact us page form, and I will select the contact form. So here we have global settings. Let's check out where is that security. Select on this security tab and select re-captcha. So here we can add site key to our re-captcha. Select the first one only. Second one and third one not Google re-captcha. First one is the Google re-captcha. Add site key to here. And second one is secret key. We need to copy that. Second, copy secret key and add to here and save changes. And you can see I am not a robot pop up here, and we can validate and save the changes successfully. Okay, so we have successfully added our Google re-captcha to our Fluent Forms WordPress plugin. Then we can reload our contact page and see there is a appear or not available for now. Let's check out why is that. Go to the forms, select contact form demo, go to the edit, and we need to add the Google re-captcha component from here. So I'm search in here re-captcha. So this one is the re-captcha. Let's add it to our form like this, and then we can save the form. Let's go back to the contact page and reload the page. Okay, right now we can see our Google re-captcha is added to our contact form. So this is the way how we can add Google re-captcha to our WordPress website with Fluent Forms plugin. So this is easy, very easy task for you. Now please follow the guidelines that I have mentioned here. You can add it successfully to your WordPress website. So here I have another form which is something like appointment form. So I'm add second re-captcha here. Let's drag and add and click on save the form, and let's reload the page and see I am not robot available here. So when you click on that form, it's automatically validated by the Fluent Forms. It's Fluent Forms thing. So what do you think, guys? Add comment right now. So what do you think about the video? If the video is good, please add a comment for me, and if you have any idea, please add a comment. Also like the video and share the video and subscribe on our channel. Thank you guys.